All right, what's up guys? Welcome back to another video, guys and girls. So today we're going to be going ahead and trying to install the new lighting that I got for the shop. So again, it's gonna be on the two side walls, that one and that one. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys the lights right now. Now this creates like an amazing solution for detail shops or even for your garage if you ever work on your car. This gives off a ton of light. It's super easy to install or set up. And we're gonna go ahead and show it to you now. So it's from a company called BARRINA. So what they are, so what it is are these light strips. They're LED light strips, and they're all encased in a single unit. So you get the solution like a big long LED, except they're super easy to install. And they're linkable. I'm really not sure how many I'm gonna be able to link off of one outlet. This will be hardwired in eventually, but for now guys, I'm just doing it quick to get it set up in place to where I want it. And then we have a house up north that we used to live in that we are renting out now to a good friend, and he has an electrical company. He's a licensed electrician, so I'll have him come down and square this away for me. But right now we're gonna go ahead and link them together, see how many we can do. All right guys, so as I said, these are linkable, which means it comes with this little adapter right here, and you can see the ends of them have little slots, so you can just pop it in and pop them together and then mount them that way, so you can have a huge long strip. So these are really amazing. I think it was 50 bucks for an 8-pack of these. I bought 4 boxes. I'm not really planning on using all 4 boxes, but I figured I'd order more than I needed. My plan is to, let me see if I can move you guys around a little bit. So my plan is to do 4 or 5 strips along the wall. They come with a longer extension as well that's 4 feet long, so I'm assuming with the bend at the top and bottom, I'll get close to 4 feet, but just a little bit under. But I'm planning on having these mounted just like this. So I will get 8 feet of light, which is a little bit overkill. I think I'd be fine with a 4-footer in most cases, but we do a lot of Sprinter vans, and we ceramic coat Sprinter vans, so when I pull them into the shop, the side panels on those things are so big that having an 8-foot strip will be really awesome. So we're gonna go ahead and connect these guys and see how many we can do. I'm gonna shoot 4. If I'm trying to do 4 sets times 2, I'm gonna shoot for 8 linked together. I don't know if that's gonna work. I'm gonna blow fuses all over the place or not, but we'll see. As you can see guys, it comes with these strips with 2 connectors on the end, so you can connect them that way. And then it comes with a power cord, so you can run them individually if you want. Like I said, I'm just trying to run it as many as I can. We're gonna find out how many you can do. All right, guys. All right, so that is 8 of them linked together. I'm gonna go ahead and install the actual switch, see if it works. All righty, moment of truth. Bingo. So how awesome are these things, guys? Once they're up on the wall, it creates the most amazing kind of atmosphere. Really kind of puts off that super high-end detail shop look. Something you can do super easy in your own garage. Again, all 8 units linked together is working, so I am pumped on that. I have an outlet on this side, outlet on that side, so I'm gonna go ahead and do the install. Hopefully that's pretty easy. I'll take you guys along for that as well. It comes with a bunch of these little brackets, and that is it. So you just mount that on the wall and it pops right in. The walls in my shop are really thin. It seems, I don't even think they make drywall in 1/8 of an inch, but if they do, that's what they used. So I'm gonna be using some self-tapping anchors, the ones where you don't even need to pre-drill. All right guys, so I went ahead and bought these anchors. So I'm gonna link these down in the description below for you guys. Really cool. They're for hollow door and drywall anchor. Basically all it is this little piece here has a screw end on it. You screw it into the wall, it catches and digs right in, and then that's your anchor. And then you just screw into that piece and you're solid. So as opposed to just using the little ones that it came with, I don't want to be constantly dealing with them falling down. So I'm gonna go ahead and do it this way, and hopefully that works well. All right, I'm gonna start on this wall. Hopefully, yeah, I'm just gonna start measuring it out and see what we can achieve. I would like to go 5 rows too high, which means that we're gonna have, that would be 10 lights total. So I'm gonna open up another box, plug in 2 more, see if 10 works, and go from there. That's 10 leaked up. Fingers crossed that it works. Damn! These things are so rad. I'm super excited about this. So there's my 10. So I'm gonna run 5. It'll run the whole length of this car that's here, my Ford Fairlane. It'll run that full length, and I think that'll be good. Yeah, that's perfect. And then if I need any more light, I have an external movable light, my Husky light over there, so we'll just run with that. So 5 going up, 2 tall, so 10 lights total against this wall. Let's get the install going. All right guys, so day 2, it's not that it takes super long to install these, it's just that it was getting late last night. I wanted to get home and help put the kids to bed. So that wall's done, and gonna go ahead and do this other side now. So I'm just gonna set you guys up and get that going. Alrighty guys, so there it is. So now we have both sides up. So you can see the 5 on this wall, or 10 technically, because it's 2 4-foot strips on each row. And then we have them on the side here as well. So the only thing I have to do now, which I'm not gonna be able to get done today, is to do a little trim at the top, just because I don't like the way that that cord looks. So I'm gonna make sure that gets tucked away. Also, I'll probably do a trim piece all the way across the top to make it look consistent, as well as over there, and then we'll be good to go. So I hope you guys like the video. These lights are amazing, guys. So again, I'm linking 10 lights to 1 outlet, and it seems to be no issue at all. They're not getting hot. They don't put off any heat at all. I dropped a couple when I was unpackaging them, and they fell pretty hard, and I put them up and they work great. So can't say enough good things about these lights, guys. Yeah, so we'll go ahead and show you. We're gonna go ahead and do a cool little stage shot now. But again, all this stuff will be linked down in the description. I hope you enjoyed the video. Stay tuned for the next one. We're going to be, I think the next one will be actually building out the cabinet system in the back here. And then a little side note, I may be picking up a new car tonight. An old car, but a really cool car. and doing some projects with that. We'll do a full paint correction, really bring the gloss back on the paint as much as we can, interior detail, wheel detail and color change, as well as an engine detail, and then finally wrapping the vehicle a cool color. So I think that'll kind of create some cool content. So make sure you guys are subscribed down below, and we will see you on the next video.